Creecraftians, it has been confirmed that there have been back-to-school ads lately. Do not believe their propaganda. It is fake. Do not buy their products. Our Prime Minister, that Creecraft fan, will speak in a moment. Please stand by.
Hello, fellow Creecraft fans. It has come to my attention there have been back-to-school ads lately. But why? Why? I'm confused too. Just all I know that we'll get through this. And no matter how much homework our teachers will give us, we will always be there. Remember, I believe in you. And I will continue to believe in you. We must get through all these months. We barely got any time off. I'm heading back to school on August 17th. Same as Emerald and Pastella. We will get through this. And so will you. Just remember, I believe in you. Goodbye.